Okay, Dad, I am taking this because I'm going to show you what happens when I feed them bits of chicken, okay? Now, here's the chicken. Mitchie. Good boy. Jasmine. Good girl. Oh, Whisper, sorry, I dumped yours. Okay, let's go again. Mitch. Good boy. Jasmine, ballerina. Ballerina. Good girl. Whisper. Good. Jasmine, no. And it goes back to Mitch. Good boy. Okay, Jasmine, you be good. Ballerina. Okay. There you go. Whisper. There you go. Good girl. Okay. Mitch. Jasmine, no. Good boy. Okay, Jasmine. Jasmine. It's a good girl. Good girl. Okay, and now final little bit goes to Whisper. Good girl. Okay, that's it. Now, did you see any chaos? No. Bye-bye. You guys are good, huh? Was it good? Was it good?